That's the highlight of all yagnas. All yagnas are all the integral yoga, practicing, letting your action becoming a channel of purifying your malas, impurities, and action becomes karma yoga. Similarly, your sentiments follow the path of bhakti, devotion. Your mental energies follow the divine will, and that movement of controlling your emotions by will and dominating the entire mind in such a way that divine will takes over your mind. That movement becomes dhyana yoga, and that's dhyana yagna. And all this culminates into jnana yagna. All this culminates in this removing ignorance, and thereby the revelation, I am Brahman. In that fire of Brahman, you pour down the illusion that I am ego. All this allegorical, nothing is being poured down, nothing is being burned. But it's allegorical language. Just like you put sandalwood into fire and you see the fragrance coming out of it. Put your anger into fire and love comes out of it. All this insight, the general term called jnana yagna. Live your life in such a way that you are promoting jnana yagna for your own self and for people around you. The simplest form of jnana yagna is sharing the knowledge that has helped you to be peaceful. The moment you have any knowledge in a positive way, don't hide it. Don't make it a secret. The more you share it, greater will be the possibility of gaining more of that knowledge. That's this speciality of spiritual teaching. Spiritual teachings should not be tiring. It should be inspiring for the teacher and for the taught.